welcome back. I'm down here with this 3D printer and I have everything connected to my computer. I'm just going to go ahead, turn the power supply on, and it's connected to my board. So it went ahead and turned on. And now I have my stepper motor hooked up. Now I have it hooked up to the X-axis just because that was the first one that I hooked it up to. And I have it down there and it's connected to my screw rod. That's the first one I'm going to test, and it's actually the one I'm most concerned about. So I'm going to go ahead, get it set up with a different angle so you can see the actual axis, so we can see if it moves. So I'll go ahead and set that up. Alright, so I have a different angle now. I'm going to go ahead and try to move the motor. So alright, it moves very nicely. I did notice that the screw rod was actually bent, so I am going to go ahead and I'm going to actually try to straighten that out. So I'm just going to hook it up for the other axis over here, and I'll test that axis, which I think is going to be a little bit better. That one wasn't quite put together as well, so let's go ahead and do that. Alright, I have it set up on the other axis. I'm expecting this to work, so I'm going to go ahead and press it. Alright, that seems to work much better than the other side. I'm just going to do that again. Maybe you can compare the difference here. So that's that axis. For the other axes, I don't really think we'll have a problem. They're very easy to move. I'll probably go ahead and demonstrate that here now. Alright, so here on the X and Y axes, you can see how easy it is to move it. So I can't move it up because this is in the way. All I have to do is push that down a little bit and it'll slide through. But this axis and this axis is really easy to move, so there should not be a problem there. I'm going to go ahead and just tidy everything up, get the motors mounted, and probably get the belts all hooked up, and I want to go ahead and see if we can test all the axes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. That'll take some time, so hey, I'll catch you guys after I have that done. Hey guys, I think I have the X and Y axes done along with the hot end set up and the extruder. So before I test them, I want to give you guys a rundown of what I all did. So let's just start with the X axis. So I went ahead and mounted the motor here. Now you'll see that I had to use a little ingenuity because I made the box too small. So there's a piece that sticks out right here and it won't slide along here, so I had to invert them and do some stuff with that. I went ahead, hooked up the belts for that, and then we already had previously made the mount for the hot end, and I just ran all the wires through this cord here and then ran them down to the bottom of the floor. I also set up my motor here, attached it for my Y-axis carriage, and then ran the wires along with the others down to the bottom. And then went ahead and made a belt here, and that's pretty much it. You know, just extending wires, soldering wires, it just took a while, but I think I finally got it done, and let's go ahead and test them and make sure these all work. So, alright. I have the motors all hooked up. I'm going to go ahead and power my power supply on, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to move the Y-axis. Alright, so that's a problem. If I just go ahead, it's not tight enough, so if I just pull this down and then I turn it on, it goes ahead and moves. So I know that one works. I'm just going to have to tighten that up. So now I'm just going to try the X-axis here. So that moves real nice. And then my extruder won't work. I can just go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and power it off. Power my power supply off and unplug it here. And then I'll take the extruder motor out of here and just put it into my Y-axis motor here. Then we can see if that one goes. Oh, I plugged it back in the same one. Alright, now we can see if the extruder works. Here. And plug it in. And turn it on. Alright. And let's try the X-axis. Alright, so you can hear it move. I don't know if you'll be able to see it move, but because it's rubbing a little bit, if I pull it down and try it, it'll sound a lot smoother. So that works. That'll be it for this video. I hope to see you guys in the next one, and have a nice day.